Hey guys, welcome back, and today we are going to talk about two of my favorite devices from Apple. Both of these phones were launched back in 2018, so we are going to find out if you're thinking to buy one, which one of these to go for, and also if you have one, what should you do. So sit back and let's go. So first thing I really want to clear is that both of the devices comes with a 12 bionic chip. So performance is pretty much similar, no difference at all. Only difference between both the devices is size and resolution, and also the cameras. That's it, that's all. So let's dig with the differences. First being the obvious display. So in simple words, iPhone XS is rocking a full OLED panel and iPhone XR is rocking an LCD panel. I am saying again, iPhone XS is rocking full OLED panel and iPhone XR is rocking an LCD panel. And as I have used both the devices like for an year and so, I can guarantee you this, there's not at all a big difference. Like not something that will make you go nuts over the other phone. I felt both the phones still in 2021 is damn good and attractive, and also even though iPhone XR display is LCD, make this thing clear in mind that it is slightly bigger than XS. It's 6.1 inches. And whereas XS is just 5.8. But again, watching movies is fun in both the devices. I am not complaining here. Next difference is camera. iPhone XS has two, one is telephoto one and one is wide one, and whereas in XR there's only one lens. And in this department, iPhone XS takes a slight win over XR because of the portrait mode. I will share some of the photos for both the devices, and as you can see, iPhone XS is slightly better, but only in portraits. I have made a separate video about iPhone XS in 2021. You can check that out right here. And for me, I have used both and I can see you clearly, if you don't care about portrait mode, XR is great too. And as you can see, color saturation as well as the wide lens is same on both the phones. So for me, camera is not that big of a deal or point. If you are thinking how well these two will last in 2021, well, so damn good. Now, as we have covered the major topic, let's ease these things and get out that what phone and what version this is rocking right now. So, both of the phones are rocking latest iOS versions, which is 14.6, and I'm damn sure they will be getting updates, I guess, for 3 years more. So, future proofing is absolutely here even in 2021. And also, as this phone is old, how does it feel? Well, like $1 million, especially the iPhone XS. It feels like something damn premium, and don't take XR behind. This phone is dope because of the glass back, and feel of the phone makes it classy even today. So as you're not missing out in that, and if you will ask me, I feel and size that iPhone XS is something that I will hold on to more because of the size, and XR because I don't know, I mean it's kind of a big as compared to XS. So yeah, XS is something that feels a little bit more premium to me. And also, I just want to share one more thing, that XR also looks very premium, but thanks to the aluminum grills on XS, it makes it like 10 times better. So let's come to the performance, and right away or right off the back, as iPhone XS is my day driver, I hadn't had any difference like whatsoever. You can play any games, you can keep 100 apps in the background, it will work great, and all the same goes for XR too. Performance, well, be free. These phones are still beast. Next thing, and probably the last topic for me before we end this little video, is battery. And right off the back, I can say you this, if you are planning to buy iPhone XS in 2021, wait. Because I need to charge this thing like twice a day. One in the morning and one in the night before ending my day. So that is something that you need to take care of. And coming to iPhone XR, well, what to say. This is the phone that I will say is powerhouse. It usually lasts for me whole day very easily, and sometimes even more than a day. And yes, I am not lying. So battery department, I would give it to XR. So what should you do? What should you buy, or should you keep these phones? If you have, well, the answer is very simple. For first question, if you want to buy between XS and XR, my choice is XR, just because of one thing, battery life. Because XS is not at all good in it, but XR is amazing, like literally amazing. And answer to the second question, that should keep you this phone, if you have one right now, is yes. Because I am not in a mood to upgrade to any other phone coming 6 months, because both the devices are holding so damn strong. No lags, no performance, no issues at all, no display issues. Camera is still great, so why to upgrade? But still, if you want to, you can, but only if you're using XS and having a battery issue just like me. Other than that, Nope, not a single reason to dump these great devices for iPhone 12. But with that being said, I hope you all like this video, and this was just my comment, and do let me know in the comments down below what you think about this, and do subscribe for more Apple content here. And again, I'm AJ and I'm signing off. Bye bye.